Fairfax County offers a wide variety of classes in our rec centers, and the Zumba classes are one of our most popular in our rec centers. In addition, we offer Indo Row. That's a new class that we're offering this fall. It's a fast-paced indoor rowing class. Body Pump is a energetic, active, and challenging weight training class with barbells. We are preparing right now for our second annual 5 and 10K run at Burke Lake Park in April of 2013. And what we're offering, whether you are a first-time runner or you want to improve your running skills, we have classes now that you can take to prepare you for these runs. Another way to work out, in addition to our fitness classes, is through swimming. We offer a wide variety of water exercise classes, ranging from teens through adults. We have lots of opportunity for the swimmers that swim on teams in Fairfax County. We have preparation classes to prepare the students for swim team season this year. The Fairfax County Park Authority offers Learn to Swim programs for babies through seniors. And we offer them in our indoor heated pools all year round. Some of the other new programs that we're offering this fall include ACE arts classes, and we are partnering with the Adult and Community Education Department, and some of their fine arts and performing arts you will find now in Park Takes that were formerly listed in the ACE catalog. We have a lot of people that take our classes in Fairfax County, and the feedback has been very positive. Through the variety that we offer something for everyone, from children through adults, and there's an opportunity to try something new or encouraged to improve your skills. So please come to our rec centers and check out what we have to offer.